Hello. Now it's time to explore some theory portion of Selenium. So I'm not talking as I'm not talking as to the exact meaning of theory. Like I will not explain you all the things like what is how many drivers are there, like Firefox driver, or I will not talk in that terms, but I will just explain you the architecture of a ideal Selenium WebDriver framework. Okay, so here you are seeing architecture, high level architecture of standard Selenium framework as to how it should be designed. I will not be designing one, but this is just a guidance to you so that you can design such a framework. And for this I am taking the only input as test.ng XML. We will have to create this test.ng XML, and then this test.ng XML will be sent to the driver script. The driver script will take inputs from the keyword file. This test.ng XML will have only one class, which will be the driver script class, and after the control passes over to the driver script, the test.ng XML's work is done. So then driver script controls every aspect of this framework, and then comes into picture the keyword file. It's the input to the driver script. So here is a high level explanation. Test.ng XML will trigger the driver script. Driver script will read the keyword file and invoke the appropriate function with the locator and the locator value. The locator value will be populated from a properties file. This we have already seen in my earlier tutorial, and this process will be repeated while the test case name remains same. This also we have seen. The next thing is the driver script will keep the same browser session until it encounters a close application function. So our framework, our test starts with, just a minute guys. Okay, sorry about that interruption. So our framework will start with the test.ng XML, then the control will be passed to the driver script. The driver script will read from the keywords file. The keywords file will, what it will have is, I will open the sample keywords file for you so that you have an exact idea about what the keyword file will contain. The keyword file will contain test case name, step number, step name, function, locator, locator value, and param. So the locator value here, it will be passed from a properties file, and this is the test data for that, and this is the test case name. So our first test case, the first step will start with the launch application and it will end with a close application, and then the next test case will continue. So this is how the keyword file is structured. Then let's go back to the diagram. So then here we have one properties file over here. This properties file is nothing but the properties file that I had shown you. It contains the XPaths or the CSS selectors of the individual elements on the web page, and this properties file will be taken as input to the reusable functions. After all the execution is completed, HP ALM uploadable Excel will be created, and this will be created from a CSV file that will this CSV file will be generated in whenever a test ends. So whenever one of the test ends, which has many test steps, a CSV file will be generated, and at the end of the entire execution, this CSV file will be converted to a HP ALM uploadable Excel. So this HP ALM uploadable Excel you can upload to Quality Center or HP ALM as they now call it, and and it will help for reporting purpose. As you know, HP ALM provides many good reporting features, so you can just upload it and then extract various reports from HP ALM. So this is a simple framework which you can utilize. Just the few things that you need to know is Java, core Java, and little bit of VBA or VB script for this HP ALM upload. Other than that, you need to know TestNG. TestNG I will be covering the framework part of it, not the entire Selenium part of it. I will be just covering the framework part of it, and then you can just go ahead and do your R&D, or you can develop a framework on these lines. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, do click the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you.